Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do some shading tips. When you're doing shading, you often want to find where the light source is coming from, and that light source is called direct light. This would cause the object to produce a cast shadow on the other side. The direct light not only produces rays that will hit the object head on, but it will also produce rays that will bounce on the surrounding area, and this will produce ambient light. Ambient light is not direct light, but it is referred to as bounce light. When this happens, it causes the surrounding areas to reflect on the object, and this reflection usually occurs in the shadow. The sky can also act as an ambient light source. The next step is ambient occlusion. This occurs when both objects are in contact with each other, therefore preventing any light source from entering, and it causes it to be darker. And that's pretty much it.